Guys, na-miss ko tong RC Era C032 or the RC Era Huey helicopter, brushless helicopter from RC Era C032. So brushless siya, and ngayon papaliparin ko siya because yun nga, na-miss ko na paliparin to, and sa ngayon may slight breeze as you can see. Yung mga dahon ng mga damo, may konting hangin. And by the way, this is also capable of flying inverted. You can fly this inverted, but I think it's not advisable, although you can fly it. But in my experience, you can fly this inverted, but not always, not all the time, because may changes na nangyayari sa kanyang sa kanyang dynamics or mechanics, or I don't know, sa kanyang flight behavior. Okay, anyway, I'm bind, so paliliparin ko siya. But before that, konting pasada lang muna as usual na ginagawa ko. Yung parang pinatititigan ko sa manunood yung aking RC helicopter, kasi gusto ko ipakita yung beauty ng RC helicopter, ng aircraft, especially yung details nya, especially to, napakaganda. Huey, and this one is much more refined than the other helicopters, RC helicopters I have. So this is more like more behave and much better flyer than the XK version, I mean XK helicopters. Okay, let's go, let's see. Okay, nasa, alright, tingnan mo naman, it's very smooth. Very smooth na flyer. No extra movement. I mean, yung niya talaga is very proportional. Yung controls niya is very precise. Very precise yung controls niya, guys. This is what I like in RC Era, especially this one, the C032. Very smooth flyer, guys. Yeah, very good, very nice. I'm extremely happy with this RC helicopter, guys. Yung controls niya, it's just very smooth, guys. Very smooth. I love the controls. Just very smooth. Actually, it's like parang you will feel very confident when you fly this RC helicopter. You will feel very at ease and comfortable because it's very stable and very smooth, guys, talaga. Very refined yung ano niya. Uy, come on. And the color combination talaga. Right. Come on, yun lang. Come on. Very smooth. Even when landing. It's like very mabait, guys, in Tagalog na tinatawag. Mabait siya. How do you call it in English? It's like a very good boy. I don't know exactly the words in English. Yung mabait, how do you call it in English? It's very tame. I think it's very tame. Very precise control. Yun lang ang pinaka ano talaga niya. Very precise control, very refined and very smooth. Yun lang. I love this RC helicopter C032.